Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to fix app stores not updating on iPhone, and I have some solutions for this. The first thing that we need to do is throw this away, go to settings and make sure that you connect with a strong Wi-Fi. And the other thing that you need to turn on is if you go to mobile service and we scroll down, you have here the option Wi-Fi assist. Because automatically use mobile data when Wi-Fi connection is poor. So when you have enough data, click on this because he will assist your Wi-Fi. Then the second thing that we need to know is if you go to general and then we go to iPhone storage, we need to be sure that we have enough space on our iPhone, because otherwise our space is full and he can't update apps on your phone. So if you can see, like here, I have enough space. I have 91 gigabyte to use. So that's for us not the problem. Alright, then the last solution, if you click here on App Store and we go to App Store, we click here right in the top on our profile, and then what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom where is standing sign out. So click on sign out. Then we go to the top. Then click again on sign in, then do continue. We got sign in again, and right now probably it will work. Restart your phone if it's still not working, but after these three solutions, it will probably work. So if this video helps you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then from now, thanks for watching.